And welcome back to another Cloud Talk Show, or at least the return of the Cloud Talk Show. There's probably going to be a whole bunch of these, and there's no telling what order this will be showing at. It could be the return, it could be the first of many series. You don't know, you just don't know. But if you do know, because you're in the future, come back and try to travel in time and tell us. Meantime,
yes,
as you can see over here, we're doing the Skypey thing, and you can see Larry on the picture over here. In fact, that's enough of Larry. I'm going to see if I can make his picture go away. Can I do that? It's not letting me right now. Oh, heck with it. All right, let's go. What's our topic today, Larry? Let's very quick topic. That's our new series of quick topics.
Quick topic. Yep. Quick hitter. Cosmos DB is awesome. Love it to death.
Yes.
But sometimes you want to get a little bit more cross-platformy. And PostgreSQL is a first-class citizen in Microsoft Azure. You can use it fully managed. It's platform as a service. Postgres will run on any platform. So you can use it in Azure platform as a service, but you can also stand it up in a standalone. You can put it in Docker. You can put it in Kubernetes. You can put it in wherever you need it.
Wherever you want. So this is like, instead of like SQL Server or SQL for Azure, this is It's called PostgreSQL or PostGRE.
SQL.
PostgreSQL. Okay.
Yeah. So PostgreSQL is it's an open source database. It's been around for ages. It is very performant. It's really never caught on big with .NET users.
Is that because it was usually on other platforms?
It was usually on other platforms. It's big in the Java world. It's big in the open source world. Mm-hmm. It's a great database. As I said, I've been using it for a long time. I love it to death.
And you can use your regular SQL commands to go around it, or maybe that's not in context of this.
Yeah, no, you can use regular SQL commands. What you're going to do is you're going to bring up a pgadmin.
Okay.
pgadmin version 4, not the version 3.
Okay.
pgadmin version 4 will let you manage and connect to your PostgreSQL on Azure.
Oh, okay. So that's sort of like our SSMS for this, or that.
Exactly. Yes, it's the Management Studio. There are other tools out there that you can use. Mm-hmm. This is the winner. Winner, chicken dinner. This is the one that everyone uses. All right. Or they use it first until it can't do something, and then they move to something else.
I see the elephant, so an elephant will never forget. Here we go. Got it.
Exactly. And so that's it.
That's all there is to it.
It's platform as a service. It's a first-class citizen in the Azure realm.
All right. So we remember from a while ago we had the Stewart talk, and he was saying it's like, okay, so you could, even though you could package these things into, say, Kubernetes or a Docker and all that stuff, that's something you don't exactly do. You don't exactly put entire databases on a whole bunch of itty-bitty machines.
Right.
Right. Unless, of course, your data is itty-bitty. And then the question is, do you use that, or do you use one of the other types of data models?
Yes, and PostgreSQL is a relational database. Mm-hmm. It does, however, have JSON as a first-class data type.
Aha.
And you can query into the JSON. You can index over the JSON. All sorts of good things that are coming around that.
All right.
PostgreSQL has a big GIS, the global. Oh, what is GIS? Positioning.
Global. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So it's big in that domain.
All right. So you know what I'm gonna make an ask over here on here, and hopefully we'll see these on the links at the end of the presentation, which we're about to end here shortly. What we'll try to do is try to get some links on this, and maybe show some either GitHub-y or code samples of folks putting stuff in, and maybe like a solution that uses it. For example, it's like, okay, here's a use case. If we can find something like that, that would be a great idea. So we can say, okay, well, why would I, maybe someone will say, well, if I can do that with this, why not just use maybe mini SQL Server or SQL Server Express? I said, no, probably not going to work because in this case you said JSON is a first class piece that's on here. That's not the case for SQL Server regular.
Well, no. See, wait.
Or is
SQL
it not?
Server, it is.
Oh, yes. The new SQL Server. Yes.
The new SQL Server. JSON's a first class citizen. The reason that I went with on a recent project.
Yes.
PostgreSQL over SQL Server is because they wanted to be cloud agnostic. And they wanted to be platform agnostic. So
that's true. You couldn't you couldn't put a SQL Express on a Linux machine, for example.
You couldn't. No, but you can run full-fledged SQL on a Linux machine, but there's a cost associated with that. You can't run Cosmos DB if you're offline, and they wanted an offline story. Basically, they wanted the world.
Yes.
Right. So. Rather than gold plating or anything like that, I just dropped it down to PostgreSQL because I know that it will run on anything. It'll run offline, online. This is fully managed, though. From my point of view, this means that I stand it up and I forget it. Right. I don't have to worry about patching it. I don't have to worry about any of that stuff.
All right. Are there any costs that are different with this than, say, with anything else? Any other?
It's the cost is comparable to any of the others. It's storage and transactions.
Right. So, but not a licensing thing.
No. There's no licensing. It's just like Cosmos DB as far as when you stand it up.
Excellent. Okay, doke. Well, I heard that sign. That's our little Skype sounding that says, "Hey, someone's trying to send you an email," or it could be that's the end of the show, the really quick show. So let's call it that, and hopefully at the end of this we'll have some links. All right, Larry, we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks, sir.
All right. Bye.